The Da Vinci Code is a captivating thriller written by Dan Brown. The story revolves around Robert Langdon, a symbologist and professor at Harvard University, who finds himself unexpectedly entangled in a complex web of ancient secrets, religious conspiracies, and hidden codes. The narrative begins with the murder of Jacques Saunière, the curator of the Louvre Museum in Paris, who leaves behind a series of baffling clues. Sophie Neveu, a brilliant cryptographer and Saunière's estranged granddaughter, joins forces with Langdon to unravel the enigmatic puzzle left by her grandfather. As they dig deeper into the mysteries, Langdon and Sophie discover that Saunière was involved in a secret society known as the Priory of Sion. They also learn about an age-old conspiracy concerning the Holy Grail, which challenges conventional beliefs about the life of Jesus Christ. The duo becomes entangled in a dangerous race against time, pursued by a relentless and secretive organization called Opus Dei, as well as a mysterious albino assassin named Silas. Along their journey, they encounter historical figures, decipher encrypted codes, and visit iconic locations like the Louvre, Rosslyn Chapel, and Westminster Abbey. As Langdon and Sophie unravel the clues, they encounter controversial theories about the true nature of the Holy Grail and the role of Mary Magdalene in history. The revelations they uncover have the potential to shake the foundations of Christianity and reshape the understanding of faith and history. The Da Vinci Code is a fast-paced and thought-provoking novel that seamlessly blends elements of art, history, religion, and cryptology. It delves into the eternal battle between faith and reason, challenging readers to question established beliefs and explore alternative interpretations of historical events. With its intricate plot, surprising twists, and richly detailed descriptions, the Da Vinci Code has become a worldwide phenomenon, captivating readers with its thrilling blend of mystery, suspense, and intellectual intrigue.